Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to go guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys system navigation setting. And today video title is guys how to use gesture navigation setting in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to use gesture navigation settings. So friends, how to use gesture navigation one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So open your phone setting friends. After done on phone setting friends, open your phone system setting. After on phone system setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, you can set date and time, language setting, you can use backup setting friends, you can use from here. So friends, click here system navigation setting, and friends you want to use gesture settings. So friends, click here first option gesture settings, and after on gesture settings friends, how to use. So friends, right side swipe you can use back button, again left side swipe you can use back button. Friends, you want to go to your home screen page, swipe here, you can go to your home screen page. And friends, if you own any app and you want to remove your recent app, so friends pause here and you can remove your recent app. And friends, you want to activate voice assistant friends, right side swipe here, you can activate voice assistant, and left side if you swipe here you can activate voice assistant. So friends, open your phone system setting, system navigation setting, and friends click here gesture tutorial setting, left side swipe here, and friends you can take trial also how to use gesture settings. Swipe here, perfect. Friends, you can see how to enter multitasking screen. Friends, swipe here, hold, and you can use your recent app setting. Friends, you want to go to your home screen page, how to return to the home screen. Swipe here, and friends, how to switch between his recent app you can use it. And friends, you can just swipe from left and right side, you can activate voice assistant. Left side and right side swipe you can activate voice assistant setting. So like that friends, we can use gesture settings. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.